Getting paid to click might be one of the easiest ways to make money online. That's why today I'll show you exactly how to do that. I'll give you multiple sources that are absolutely free and work worldwide so anyone can join. If you're interested, make sure to keep watching step by step till the end of this video. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. So with all of that said, let's now start with it so I can show you everything. I have multiple websites to show you, so make sure to not skip any part because you can get easily lost and confused. The very first one is called Surfbucks and it's over at surfbucks.com. If you scroll down, you're going to see that you're going to get paid 1 cent per each click and also 1 cent per each referral click, so you can even refer people onto here in order to get paid again and again. The thing is that it may not seem like a lot, but it's just by clicking, and it's pretty easy actually. So also it depends on you on how much time and effort you want to put on this. They offer you instant payment system and also detailed statistics. So if you're wondering how you're getting paid and how this works, is because advertisers come here in order to get advertised or to get that websites advertised, so they pay money to Surfbucks and then Surfbucks pays you and split that money so you can click on those websites. So this is how it works. You're going to sit down here that they pay you in Payeer and Perfect Money. So they have two payment methods and they have been around since 2019. So this is like a legit platform that is going to get you paid. So in order to get started, you can click here on start earning or in the register button up here. In the next page, you're going to just put a username, an email address, a password, and then click on the register button. By doing so, you also agree to the terms of service. So this was the first platform that I wanted to show you. Let's proceed with the second one for today, which is called Scarlet Clicks. This is over at scarlet-clicks.info. You're going to see that this platform has paid out more than $2 million and it has more than 1 million of members. This shows that this is a legit one and also that it's going to get you paid again and again. You're going to see that you're going to get paid by clicking up to 1 cent per each click and also up to 100% referral earnings. So they even pay you by referring friends over here. You can also complete offers if you want to maximize your earnings. You can cash out through Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, AirTM, and Bitcoin, and the minimum cash out is just $2. So once you reach $2 in your account, you can easily cash out. So these two platforms that I showed you do not pay you in PayPal money, but don't worry because I'm going to give you other ones that pay you in PayPal. So if you want to see payment proofs, you can go over down here and it's going to show you all of the people that are getting paid again and again through their preferred payment method. They're even making like $33 and so on. So as I said before, it depends on you on how much time and effort you want to put on this. Just click on the register button up here so you can proceed with the registration process. You need to put your full name, an email address, confirm the email address, your day of birth, username, password, and confirm the password. Then you need to select your payment method here. You're going to put your account, your email, and then you're going to put the code here for image verification, and then you need to read and agree to their rules and terms of service. Then click on the register button and you can get started with Scarlet Clicks. So I'm going to proceed with the next platform, but if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So the next platform is going to be this one here called SERPclicks, and it's over at serpclicks.com. People come here in order to grow their SEO rankings using their click traffic. So you're not going here in order to grow the ranking of your website. You don't need to have a website to spend money. You are coming here in order to become a clicker so you can get paid by clicking on those websites. So just scroll all the way down till the bottom of this page and then select become a clicker down here underneath the count section. In the next page, you're going to see that as a clicker, you're going to get paid to visit websites. You're going to earn from 5 cents up to 10 cents per click, and this is one of the most paying websites up there that pays you for each click. So you're going to earn 10% referral commission, so you can get paid even in PayPal in a passive income, and also you're going to see that the payment minimum is $5. So once you reach $5 in your account, you're going to get paid, and they pay you through PayPal, as you can see. So it's pretty awesome actually, and you're going to see that this one has been around since June 2016, which shows that it has been around quite some times now, and it is a legit one. In order to get started, click here on this button. In the next page, you're going to put an email address, a password, your PayPal email, and then confirm your PayPal email, and you can leave this box empty. But if you want to answer, you can say that you heard about this platform from YouTube. Then you need to click on submit, and by doing so you also agree to their terms of use and privacy policy. So this was over at serpclicks.com. I'm going to proceed with the next platform for today, which is going to be Neobucks. This is over at neobucks.com, and I'm over at their registration process. You need to see here that you are just a minute away from changing the way that you're going to make money online. They pay you to take surveys, to play quizzes, games, and also clicking on ads. So they have a lot of ways in order to get paid. Unlike many other sites, they offer you the best possible rewards for you, and you're going to see all the payment methods that they offer, from Skrill, RTM, NetTeller, PayPal, and also some other ones, even bank transfer. So you're going to even earn cash and get paid from the comfort of your home, so you can work online and get paid again and again, so you can have some extra money for yourself. In order to get started with Neobucks, all you need to do is to put a username here, a password confirmation, then your email address. Then you can leave the referral box empty because you haven't been referred by anyone. Then your birth year, verification code, and then you need to understand their terms of service and privacy policy. Then just click on the continue button, and you can start with Neobucks. So I want to give you also another platform which is called Bucks Inside. With it you can get paid every 10 seconds for just browsing their advertisers' websites. So by just clicking on some websites, you're going to get paid. You can cash out instantly once you reach $2 in your account. Even this platform pays you in PayPal money, but also through Payza, AdCash, Bitcoin, and so on. So in order to get started, click on the register button up here, and you can put your username, login, payment email, then confirm your email. You can leave the referral box empty, choose the currency, the payment method, and also the birth year. After that, just select an icon here. In my case, it's a flag, and then you need to agree to the terms of service and click on the register button. So these were the platforms that I wanted to show you. If you want to get paid the most, just combine all of them in order to make the most money. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. Just give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Hey, the name is Mia's World. Thank you for watching.